I'm going to give you 3 reasons why the baritone ukulele is the right choice for you. That is the size, the sound, and the tuning. For this video, I'm going to be using the ukelikethepros Kala baritone. Let me do some playing, and then we'll dive into those reasons. First of all, the size of the baritone ukulele. It's the biggest of the ukuleles, soprano, concert, tenor, and then you have the baritone. You have a much bigger body here. You have a bigger overall length and also a longer neck and scale length, which is when you measure from the nut here to the saddle. What is that going to do? It's going to affect the sound, which we'll talk about here in a second. But the extra length here on the neck is going to give you a little bit more space here with your fingers. Those that come from the guitar that are used to bigger size body, bigger size neck of the guitar, then the baritone is great for you. If you find that the soprano, the concert, or the tenor feel a little bit small for you, then the baritone is a great choice for you. Reason number 2, the baritone is right for you is the sound. I mean, can you hear this thing? This bigger body here is going to give you, it's going to be louder. It's also going to give you some more mid-range, some more bass, which is what we're really missed from the soprano, the concert, and the tenor ukulele. And then if you're coming from the guitar, it's going to be a sound that's going to be a lot more familiar to you right here with this big, bold. So if you like a little bit more bass, you like something that's a little bit louder, then the baritone's perfect for you. And the third reason why the baritone is right for you is the tuning. What is the tuning of a baritone ukulele? You got D, G, B, and E. Yes, those are just like the first 4 strings of a guitar. So if you're coming from the guitar, this is perfect for you because, yes, you only have 4 strings, but your chord shapes, D chord on the baritone, are going to be the same. And then you just got to get used to the 4 strings. But the sound, as we mentioned already, is going to be much more similar to the guitar as well. Now, those that don't like the low strings here, you actually can get the baritone with a high D string as well. And now I'm going to throw out one other thing for you. If you do like the other things we talked about, which is the bigger size of it, the bigger sound of it, you can get strings that you can tune the baritone G, C, E, A, just like the soprano, concert, and tenor ukulele if you want, although this one is tuned just like a regular baritone, D, G, B, and E. All right, those are 3 reasons why the baritone is right for you: the size, the sound, and the tuning. If you like this instrument, we sell these at terrycartermusicstore.com. And if you like the baritone, you already play the baritone, you're thinking about getting into the baritone, we do a lot of great content, instructional courses, live workshops, Q&As, and challenges over at ukelikethepros.com. Appreciate you being here. Hope you go out and get a baritone, and we'll see you next time.